Hey folks, Junior here. This is another video for Junior's Reviews, and this is going to be a two-part segment. And they're both dedicated to home health. And before I start, I wanted to say that I am not in the medical field. I'm not a medical doctor or a nurse, and this is not medical advice. This is just personal advice, personal review of items that we use here at home, that we have used at home, and we are currently using at home. So by no means this is any medical advice. And if you need medical advice, please contact your medical doctor or your specialist. Secondly, I will be leaving a link to these items with descriptions on the bottom of the video. So let's start. Basically, this first video is for, like I said, home health, and this is for incontinence. And I have a couple different items that I wanted to show you. I'm going to start off first with the ruche. This is the leg bag, and this is more for, in this case, I'm going to be doing this review as if it was for a male. So this is the bag, you can see here, with the straps, so it's easy to strap, easy to drain. This is the drain plug right here. Just pull down, drains, close. This is the top part where the actual rubber hose goes onto. Okay, so this is what goes, the urine goes down here, and it goes into the bag, you drain the bag. Now, what we found to be very, very useful is this system where, and this kit comes with 7 of the Condom catheters, and I'm going to show you exactly what that's all about. It's very convenient, and we found this out in the hospital. We never came across this before until my father was recently in the hospital for a couple days. So basically, these come, from what I know, they come in 3 different sizes, basically like small, medium, and large. This would be like the medium, I believe, the 29. This is the large, the 30, this is the 36 millimeter, and I believe it comes in 26 as well. So that would be the small. I'm going to use the 26 to demonstrate. Okay, and that's what it looks like inside the package. So you just rip it open, and this is basically almost like a regular condom. It's a little sticky because that's what has like an adhesive, like a sticky tacky, and that's what gets helps it be held on to the penis. So let me show you how this works. So basically, you would get a wipe. I'm going to use a banana here for obvious reasons. So we're just going to pretend that this is a male penis. We're going to clean properly all around, make sure everything's nice and clean, okay? And what we would do here then is place the condom catheter onto the penis, and you would just roll back. It's a little harder with a banana, but we're gonna try our best. I want you to see what it looks like. So basically, I just want you to get an idea, okay? And this is a small size, so it's a little bit harder. So basically, that is what it's gonna look like on the penis. And this is what goes attached to the actual leg bag. And then the second item that I'm gonna show you is gonna go into the other urinary bag. So basically, to give you an idea what this looks like, okay? So basically, let's just say that's the male penis, drains into the bag. The bag, this is the top, and then it fills up, and like I said before, the drain easily drain it into the toilet or whatever it may be. Okay, so this again, this is the Ruche. This is the Ruche Complete Incontinence Kit, and it comes with 7 of the condom catheters. Easy to strap, easy to drain, and this is good for the home. Good also for traveling. If you need to travel and the person has incontinence, go for a long car ride or wherever it may be, this is good to have. Okay, so we're gonna follow the same concept of the banana and the catheter, the condom catheter. And the second item that I am going to show you is basically the Bard. And this is the 2,000 milliliter drainage bag. And this comes with the directions for use. As you can see, it comes with wipes for everything to be nice and clean. This is the brand again, Bard. Things are falling down, I'm sorry about that. Directions for use. Everything's nice and packaged. So I just opened it up. And I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but it comes with the gloves, the sterile gloves. And this is the system that you could use as well, but this is what we don't want to use, us personally here in my home. So what we use is basically the part where we remove the hose, and what we do is, like I explained to you before with the banana, again, this is the male penis with the condom catheter, and we just plug this in here. Very easy to do, simple. It's on there very well, nice and easy. And this is a much bigger bag, much longer hose as well. And this has, like I said before, has the 2,000, okay? And this has on the bottom, this is the drainage, okay? And it clips in here, clips in place. It sounds like it's almost like a storage area for it. And when it fills up, or fills up to a certain amount where you want to empty it, you have this clip here. Just unclip it like that, and the liquid, the urine, drains out. Okay, and then clip it. Kinks the hose so nothing comes out. You put this back in its spot, and that's it. Has a little hook here, so you can put it on the side of the bed railing, whatever it might be, hold it in place, and the hose all the way to the person and on the penis. Okay, so very simple, very easy to clean as well. I clean it every single day. What I basically do is I just disconnect it all, take the condom catheter off, run water through here, a little bit of soapy water, or even a little touch of bleach, run it through, shake it up nice and clean, drain it out, like this. In a matter of 2-3 minutes, you're done, and you're nice and clean again. So again, that's my review for today. First, that's part 1 of the little bit of some home health. I hope you, let's say enjoyed this video. Hope you got some valuable info from this video. And I ask you to please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I will be making more videos in the very near future. And I thank you for watching always. Thank you for your time. And like I mentioned before, this is just personal advice, not medical advice. And I will leave links for everything, so it goes directly to these items on the bottom of the video. Thank you once again for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back really soon. Thank you so much.